In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a random sample in Excel, whether you're testing a formula, running a quick experiment, or picking a few rows from a larger list. The simplest way to introduce randomness in Excel starts with a single cell and a built-in function. Begin by clicking any empty cell where you want your random value to appear. If you're working with a table and plan to use these numbers to help sample rows later, it's common to click an empty cell in a new helper column. If you're just exploring, any blank spot on the sheet will work perfectly. Now type the formula exactly like this: equals RAND, open parenthesis, close parenthesis. In other words, type equal rand into the cell or into the formula bar at the top. The equal sign tells Excel you're entering a formula, not plain text. Rand is the function name, and even though it doesn't take any arguments, the parentheses are required. Excel isn't case-sensitive here, so xrand works the same as xrand. Press Enter to confirm. Instantly, Excel returns a decimal number that's greater than or equal to 0 and less than 1, such as 0.3729. That's your random draw. Every time the worksheet recalculates, this value can change. That includes actions like editing another formula, opening the file, or triggering a full recalc. Seeing the number update is expected behavior and is what makes RAND useful for sampling and simulation. A quick note about what you're getting. RAND produces a uniformly distributed decimal between 0 and 1, which is perfect when you want each outcome to be equally likely. If you're planning to use this for a sample across rows, many people place each item or RAND next to each row to generate one random score per record, then use those scores to decide which rows to keep. Because the number updates on recalculation, some users choose to lock in their results afterward by converting formulas to values once they're satisfied. That way, the random choices remain stable. If you ever need whole numbers instead of decimals, there's a related function called RANDBETWEEN, which generates integers in a range you specify. But for building a flexible randomizer, you can easily scale across your sheet. RAND is the fastest place to start. That's all there is to it. Click a cell, type =rand, and press Enter. You now have a reliable random value ready to power quick tests, simulations, and simple sampling workflows in Excel.